better. I need something put it on. I think this will do. I think this is a 13, 12, 11, 14, 13. Lefty, lefty, loosey, righty, so lefty. These bearings are done, man. Look at that, even the balls came out. Look, these balls are like what makes the bearing run. They're already coming out. I guess you can expect that from a cheap skateboard like this. And I'll put some new ABIC 5 bearings in this one. Oh, look at that. So like a while ago, I bought some new bearings for my old skateboard. These ones, I'm gonna put that skateboard's old bearings on this skateboard. Old bearing, new bearing. It's still going, and it's quiet. Let's go test them out. So I was thinking I'm gonna take my dog out, Romeo. I can test out the new bearings and I can take my dog for a walk. So it's 2 birds with 1 stone. Oh yeah, my friend Flippy from the previous vlog gave me this hat. So I think I'm gonna wear this hat instead of this. Okay, let's go. Romeo! Romeo! Where are you? Romeo. Hey Romy, good amigo.
All day, who are you and you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss with all my shit brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you fast. You out for what you say to me. Look at every single need. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition.
Back home now. Man, the wind is just crazy out there. But how are you doing, dude? Who's happy doggy? Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. And then I guess I'll see you in the next one, bro.